First time in?
Yes.
Oh, well, welcome. Touch it all, smell it all. My name is Leslie Gardner, and I'm one of the co-owners of Graphite,
I am Trina Brown. I'm the other owner of Graphite.
which is essentially a paper and pencil shop with some extras.
Essentially, I think we've always known that we wanted to start a business. Came across a little paper store, the pencil store, we thought was pretty interesting. And it kind of sparked our interest in the direction that we were looking to go.
I think we wanted people to get back to kind of the old school writing. There's something about writing a letter to someone that's super personal, and just the fact you took the time to write them a letter. We've had a lot of people too ask us if we're going to carry iPads or writing devices, and we just tell them no. And people laugh at us. We sell books that range from all the way from like skits to hand lettering. We now carry pens, and there's a lot of pencil people offended by that. For creativity, there are people who are artists that use pens. Just what's out there for people to try and experience that doesn't involve a piece of technology. Hey, when you have a store like this, you have to find a special location. We looked in Bishop Arts, we looked in Deep Ellum. People that go to those areas are going to look for an experience, and so we knew that our shop was going to be experienced. McKinney just, I think, has a great atmosphere, has a lot of artists that we've met and worked with, so just it would end up being the perfect spot.
We didn't realize how big of an artist community McKinney had. Because of them, we have brought in other items that they were looking for, and it's kind of expanded just even our idea, and it's been great.
Again, just that time it takes to write someone a letter. I mean, there's purpose behind writing a letter.
Thank you for coming to visit us here at the Graphite store. We love to meet new people and hear their stories. Please come back and visit us again soon. The Graphite Girls, Trina and Leslie.